Storing cups and mugs can be messy sometimes, as they come in many different shapes and sizes. Let us show you a way to organize them neatly while fully utilizing every space in the cabinet. First, sort out your cups and mugs to a specific use. Use tray organizers, such as these, to neatly store away small glasses. Store your cups in an organizer that makes it easy to retrieve them, such as our Store&Slide storage organizers. For an organizer with a base on top like this, you can store your mugs on it too. For wine glasses, store them with an under-cabinet holder rack. Wine glasses are very fragile, so this prevents them from breakage. Use the space below the wine glasses for the tray organizers. Next, use an extendable bin to maximize a dead space. In this area, you should store items that you barely reach out for. Fill up the area with an extendable rack to store teacups and teapots separately. Label them for easy identification. Doesn't that look better? Save this video to start organizing your cup cabinet today.
Thank you for watching. We hope you have learned useful home tips. Subscribe to our channel for more home organizing content just like this.